Hello, are you among those writing GCE exam this year and you are sure you want to make A's in all your subjects, either art or science? I must say that you are in the right place. This is Radical Science. First of all, I must congratulate all these WAEC and NECO students who came to my inbox to show appreciation based on their excellent performance in their WAEC and NECO results this year. I must say congratulations. If you're just joining me for the first time, all I want you to do is to hit the subscription button and also turn the subscription bell on so that anytime we post in this channel, you can be able to get notification to enable you watch our videos anytime we post. So based on this year's WAEC GCE exam, here in this channel, we'll be giving you breakdown in each of the subjects and things you are expected to know as far as the questions and the answers are concerned. We give it to you before the exam. So all I want you to do is just to follow up. Do not miss any video that we'll be posting from now till the end of this GCE exam. Now, if you need any special assistance in this exam, all you need to do is just to drop your number in the comment section so that I will add you to our special Telegram group chat where we give you some assistance which ordinarily we cannot say or post in this particular channel. Or you click the link in the description to follow our Telegram and WhatsApp group. Remember, this is Radical Science. We are a group of teachers. We don't sleep. We are legit. Thank you very much, and remember to follow instructions.